Hello, today's April 28, 2018, coming from Independence, Missouri. Tonight I'm going to make a little coin or electrolysis device, and I'm going to show you how to make one real quick. They don't take very long to make. So this is how we're going to do it. I have just a basic little phone charger. That's all you have to have. You want to cut off the end of that, and then what we're going to do, we're going to strip these wires here. Let's see how long this takes. I got a soldering iron over here heating up. So first things first, I'm going to add a little bit thicker wire to this. I want you guys to see this wire here. This stuff like I use maybe like a car tail light, something like that. What we're going to do first, I'm going to strip this out. Let's see if I can get this in here. Let's see where we're at. That's about 14 or 16, probably about a 16 on this. Yeah. I'd say it's 16 because I put it in a 14. There we go. There's how that is right there. And when you want to make one, and probably see when you attach it to that, you have a long enough line, depending on where you're going to put your container. Maybe about, 3 feet. And then we're going to cut this like that. Then we're going to get the other one. We'll cut it the same length. Let's get down here. Make it the same length here. Snip that right there. That's easy enough. Go back to the 16. And we're going to strip that right there just like that. And you have 2 of them. Make sure you strip them out long enough so you actually can, when you attach them to the alligator clips, I might go back a little bit further than that. All right, so that's ready to go right there. So the next thing we're going to do, got one red alligator clip, one black. Red will be on the plus side, black will be on the negative. Here's what it looks like. Take it apart. See that right there? Some of these actually will have like screws in them if they're larger ones. This one actually just has a clip where you just kind of compress it along there. So what we're going to do, hold on just a second. We're going to take this wire and twist it together here real quick. We're going to feed this through just like that. So it won't take much. Then we're going to take this here. What I'm going to do on this one, I'm just going to take it, I'm going to run it in around here. Now this doesn't have to be just perfect or anything, since what we're going to use this for, you just want to have a little bit of good contact when you solder. Let's see if we get this through here. All right, there we go. So we're going to take this and wrap this around just a little bit, indent it down in there like that. Got a little pair of needle nose here. Going to take this, I'm just going to kind of squeeze this over a little bit. Squeeze this one this way. And I'm just going to put that right there. Like that. That's simple enough. Simple enough. Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to solder this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to apply this. I don't have anybody to hold this for me tonight, so I'm just using this tablet. But what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to apply this to right here. We're going to hold this for several seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this over here, so it'll be fairly quick. I have a ashtray right here, so this will be a good thing to protect anything from any heat or anything. This is just lead-free solder. So we're just going to take this, heat this up, let that get warm, probably for about 10-15 seconds there. And then we're just going to touch this down in here and let the solder run down in there on there. That's about how long it took. Take that, let you guys see what this looks like now. Let's see, hold it. Let that cool for a minute before we put that plastic back on. We'll do the other one real quick too. Same thing with this one. We're just going to take this, pull this out. There's the clip again. Take this, twist the wires again through. I'm going to take this, run this through like that. And we'll wrap it around. Pretty cool stuff. Anybody that's halfway mechanically inclined should be able to do it. Stuff they used to teach in school. Now I don't think they teach them unless you go to special schools or college. There we go. Now we're going to just do that real quick.